Monster goes above and beyond with these headphones. They have really nice LEDs, they sound amazing, and they're really good for gaming. So let's jump into the review for this product. This is a box. You've got the first look at the product on the front. You've got some information by Monster. You've got some specs and then some features. Pretty aesthetic, the red on the gray. I do like that. So let's get this open. Okay, so the first thing that fell out, there's this instruction manual. These are pretty much all the same for all tech products. It's just different languages, shows you how to like connect, how to pair, what all the functions are, that kind of thing. Don't need that for sure. This is an audio splitter. So you've got one for microphone and one for audio, and that hooks into the aux that goes out of the headphones. You've got your warranty card so you can register it online, and this is more warranty information because who needs that? So you've got the headphones in this bag. First thing that I'm looking at is this braided cable. It's red with black on it, and I don't think the design is anything in particular, but it's red and black. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You've got this plastic that's covering the different parts. Okay, so everything's out of the wrapping now. First thing I'm looking at is I don't really like this. There's like two thin pieces of plastic on top, and those probably gonna break pretty fast. They're not the most stable. They're very flexible, but I feel like that's gonna break, and it kind of looks weird. I mean, I want just a full bar. Like if you took this off completely, like I understand that it's for like holding the headphones in shape. I don't know. I don't really like that. I think if they got rid of that, it would still work the same, it would be fine. But there's LEDs, and you can see like some of the sound pieces coming out the side. The earmuffs are very circular. I've seen a lot of headphones are very oval shaped, but these are more circular, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet. You've got this gooseneck microphone, and that's good because you can move the microphone. You're not gonna have any struggles like trying to adjust it, so that's always nice. And then this cable is pretty long, so if you're far away from your computer or whatever you plug it into, you can connect it up. You've got an aux and a USB to connect, so you can connect this into a computer, into a phone, all that good stuff. Looks like you've got some controls. So you've got LED controls, the microphone controls, and the volume controls all on this little, I don't even know what it is. Just part of the cord comes with the controls, which are not on the headphones itself, which is nice because it's hard to see when you're wearing the headphones. You have to like kind of muscle memory it. So that's pretty cool. And it's got like this cool design on whatever this thing, I have no idea what it's called to be honest, but whatever this is, it's got a cool design to it. Lots and lots of cable, and the headphones do look pretty cool. Almost reminds me of like if you're a car type person, the turbo on the car, the sides just remind me of a turbo, especially with the gooseneck coming off. I don't know. That's just the visual image that comes to my head. But it looks pretty cool, and I bet these sound cool, so let's go to reviewing these. Okay, so I've got the Mission V1 with me. These are mostly for the application of gaming. You can hook these up to like a computer, PlayStation 5, and Xbox, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna be testing these with my computer. This is a Dell, but I slapped an Apple sticker over it because it's funny. So we got the USB, so it needs to be plugged into both USB and aux. USB for power and aux for the sound to go through. And if you have an older computer where the headphone and the microphone, the inputs are split, or if you're outside the United States, I've heard that outside of the United States you have to plug in both the headphones and the microphone separately. So this splits them out so that you can do that. So let's get this plugged in. My computer does not need the splitter, so let's see how these sound. I'll be doing one where I just listen to some music and see how it sounds, and then another where we see how the mic sounds, and you guys can listen to that one. Okay, so I was just listening to some Dr. Dre and some Snoop Dogg. The bass is pretty good, they sound really good, and you can see the LEDs are lighting up on the sides. You do have this little control panel that I mentioned earlier where you can turn the lights off, so you can see that does turn them off and on. You can also turn the mic off and on, and you've got this volume wheel so that you can turn the volume up. It's kind of sensitive, so when you turn it up, it does turn up a little bit, but it's also a really good control. It does work really well, and they're pretty loud, so you don't have to turn your computer up way too much for it to sound decent. So let's do the mic test, and then we'll talk about specs. Okay, so you should be hearing audio through the mic now. I'm having this overlay. My computer's recording it, and I'll overlay that in the video. But this is the mic test to see if the mic is loud and like how it compares. I got my lavalier mic right here, so you're gonna be able to hear the difference between the lavalier mic and this mic. But yeah, so these are pretty decent. They don't have waterproof rating, so I'm not sure about that, but they've got good sound. They are not Bluetooth, unfortunately. Bluetooth would be nice, but these are mostly for gaming. So these just make it work better with consoles that don't have Bluetooth, like the PlayStation 5, the Xbox. These sound really good. I think the mic sounds pretty good as well. And these are pretty comfortable. I don't like the design of this. They are a little bit big. Like when I have them over my ear, they are like at the tips of my ears and kind of like weighing down my ears. So it's not great there, but like everywhere else, it sounds good. It looks pretty cool. These LEDs are pretty nice. Oh, I haven't turned off, but they're pretty nice overall. I've seen different prices on Amazon. For some reason, they've been fluctuating the last few days. They've been like $30 and then like $20, and now they're like $60 when I'm looking at them right now. So I don't know how much these will be on Amazon. I'm gonna say they're probably gonna be about $30, but I could be wrong for sure. But yeah, you should get yourself a pair because these are great for gaming. They sound nice and the microphone's pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in another video. Peace.